So I'm going to make collard greens now. Collard greens are very easy to make, but there's a couple of little tricks to them. First thing is you will take a whole collard green and you want to get the stem out of there like this. Just pull it right out because this makes it really tough, and if you keep just the leafy part, it stays very tender. So I did that, and now I've layered them up here in sort of an orderly pile. And what you want to do to make collard greens is take your layered leaves and you roll them up into a tight sort of cylinder like this, and then cut them into half-inch pieces like that. Okay, so I'm going to continue to do that. In the meantime, you want something smoky to go with it, and the easiest thing that most people have in their kitchen is bacon, that's smoky meat. And so I'm going to put 2 slices of bacon in my pan here, and I'm going to cook the bacon and remove it and use the smoky grease that's left over in the pan to cook the collards. Now 2 slices of bacon doesn't really release that much grease in terms of the collards and everything, so it's not that bad for you. So they don't need to stay in this circular form. That's just to get them to the texture and the size that you want them in. And you can, kind of fluff them up a little bit if you want. And in the meantime, my bacon's cooking nicely. So I'm just waiting on the bacon. And in the meantime, I guess I'll get the water ready, because I'm gonna cover these with water when they're in the pan. I've got 2 cups of water right here, and my bacon's coming along.